In this video, I want to go over the disembowel trolls problem on Codewars. And what it states is trolls are attacking your comment section. A common way to deal with this situation is to remove all of the vowels from the troll's comments, neutralizing the threat. Your task is to write a function that takes in a string and returns a new string with all vowels removed. So if we look at the example it provides us, this will be the string that they provide to us as input. This website is for losers, laugh out loud, would become basically the same string, but with all vowels removed, irrespective of case. So the way we're going to do this is we're first going to start out with creating a new string, and we'll call it st. And this string is going to contain all vowels, upper and lowercase. So a, e, i, o, u, a, e, i, o, u. Next, what we're going to need to do is we're going to create a new list called new L. And what this list is going to do is we're going to append each element or each letter of our string to our new list if and only if it doesn't exist in our st string. So basically, append everything that's not a vowel. And the way we're going to do this is with list comprehension. So we can say x for x in string if and only if x not in st. So basically what this is saying is we're going to append x to our new list for every x or every element in our string if and only if that element in our string is not a vowel, basically, irrespective of case. So we're done. We have a new list with every letter from our string in that new list if it's not a vowel of upper or lower case. So we're going to return this new L. So return new L, but they want us to return it as a string. Right now it's just a list of letters, and there's a function that will help us do that will return lists, or that turns lists into strings, and it's the join method. So .join, and I'll show you what this does. Basically, what this join function does is it takes every element in our new list and puts it into a string with this between every element. So if we were to do this with this, or say like a $sign between every element, or a % sign between every element in our new list, basically between every character, a % sign would be put there. So if we attempt it, they all failed, and it's because there's a parenthesis between every letter in our string. So basically, if we wanted to pass this, we would just join with nothing in between every character. So if we attempt it, this should work. So all 103 test cases passed. So that is the disembowel trolls problem on Codewars. I hope that you learned something in this video, or you found some value from it. If you did, I would appreciate it if you liked, commented, and subscribed. And I will see you guys in future tutorials.